Suhasini. My studying in UKG A section. My school name is St. Philomena's High School, Chandapura.
Preamble.
Preamble. We the people of India have it solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socially, secular, democratic republic and a secure to all its citizens, justice, social, economic and political liberty of the expression, belief, faith and worship, equality in status and opportunity, and to promote among them all and fraternity, assuring the unity of the individual, the unity and eternity of the nation. In our Constitutional Assembly, this 26 November, this Constitution education is the best provision for old age.
States and capitals.
States and capitals: Andhra Pradesh, Amravati, Arunachal Pradesh, Gitanagar, Assam, Dispur, Bihar, Patna, Chhattisgarh, Raipur, Goa, Panaji, Gujarat, Gandhinagar, Haryana, Chandigarh, Himachal Pradesh, Shimla, Jharkhand, Ranchi, Karnataka, Bengaluru, Kerala, Tirunelveli, Madhya Pradesh, Goa, Maharashtra, Mumbai, Manipur, Imphal, Meghalaya, Shillong, Mizoram, Mysore, Nagaland, Kohima, Odisha, Bhubaneswar, Punjab, Chandigarh, Rajasthan, Jaipur, Sikkim, Gangtok, Tamil Nadu, Chennai, Telangana, Hyderabad, Tripura, Agartala, Uttarakhand, Dehradun, Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow, West Bengal, Kolkata.
30 districts in Karnataka.
Bagalkot, Ballari, Bide, Bengaluru Rural, Bengaluru Urban, Belagavi, Chikmagaluru, Chitradurga, Dakshina Kannada, Davangere, Dharwad, Gadag, Hassan, Haveri, Kalburgi, Kodagu, Kola, Koppala, Mandya, Mysuru, Raichuru, Ramanagara, Shivamogga, Tumkuru, Udupi, Uttara Kannada, Vijaypura, Vijayanagara, Yadgiri.
Prime Ministers of India.
Jawaharlal Nehru, Jawaharlal Nanda, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Indira Gandhi, Morarji Desai, Charan Singh, Rajiv Gandhi, Chandra Pratap Singh, Chandrasekhar, P.V. Narasimha Rao, Atal Bihari Vajpayee, H.D. Deve Gowda, Indira Kumar Gujarat, Manmohan Singh, Narendra Modi.
Jnanapita Award winners from Karnataka.
Kuvenpu, Dara Bedre, Shivaram Karan, Masti Venkatesh Iyengar, V.K. Gokal, V.R. Ananthamurthy, Girish Karnad, Chandrasekhara Kambara.
Dance forms of India.
Bharatanatyam, Tamil Nadu, Kathakali, Kerala, Kathak, Uttar Pradesh, Manipur, Kuchipudi, Andhra Pradesh, Odissi, Odisha, Satriya, Assam, Metki Dance, Madhya Pradesh, Dandiya, Gujarat, Yakshagana, Karnataka.
Rivers of India.
Brahmaputra, Ganga, Godavari, Indus, Kaveri, Krishna, Mahanadi, Narmada, Periyar, Tamilabharani, Vaikai, Yamuna.
National festivals.
January 26, Republic Day, August 15, Independence Day, September 5th, Teachers Day, October 2nd, Gandhi Jayanti, November 14, Children's Day.
8 planets in solar system.
Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune.
4 Vedas.
Rigveda, Yajurveda, Samaveda, Atharvana Veda.
10 Mukhya Upanishads.
Ishavasya Upanishad, Kena Upanishad, Katha Upanishad, Vaishna Upanishad, Mundaka Upanishad, Mandogya Upanishad, Aitharya Upanishad, Taittiriya Upanishad, Chandogya Upanishad, Brihadaranyaka Upanishad.
Dashavatara of Lord Vishnu.
Matsya, Kurma, Varaha, Narasimha, Vamana, Parshurama, Rama, Krishna, Buddha, Kalki.
18 Puranas.
Vishnu Purana, Matsya Purana, Bhavishya Purana, Kurma Purana, Varaha Purana, Agni Purana, Shiva Purana, Brahmanda Purana, Markandeya Purana, Linga Purana, Vayu Purana, Brahmanda Purana, Markandeya Purana, Linga Purana.
Epics of India.
Ramayana and Mahabharata.
7 continents of the world.
Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Antarctica, Australia.
5 oceans of the world.
Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Southern Ocean, Arctic Ocean.
Neighboring countries of India.
Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, China, Myanmar, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Pakistan.
Neighboring states of Karnataka.
Andhra Pradesh, Goa, Kerala, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Telangana.
Indian festivals.
Ganesha Chaturthi, Navaratri, Dasara, Deepavali, Mahashivaratri, Christmas, Eid, Holi, Moharram, Good Friday.
Women freedom fighters of India.
Durgabai Deshmukh, Arunachal Phale, Sutetra Tripalani, Kitturani Chennamma, Onake Ovawa, Vijay Lakshmi Pandit, Sarojini Naidu, and Shirani Lakshmi Bai.
7 colors in rainbow.
Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red.
Official languages of India.
Assami, Bellari, Euro, Dogri, Gujarati, Hindi, Kannada, Kashmiri, Konkani, Malayalam, Marathi, Maithili, Manipuri, Nepali, Odia, Punjabi, Sanskrit, Santali, Sindhi, Tamil, Telugu, Urdu.
Religions of India.
Hinduism, Islam, Christianity, Sikhism, Buddhism, Jainism, Parsi.
Indian monuments.
Agra Fort, Ajanta Caves, Charminar, Gateway of India, Golden Temple, Gol Gumbaz, Hampi Temple, Iron Pillar, Jamma Masjid, Khajuraho Temple, Lake Palace, Mysuru Palace, Qutub Minar, Lake Fort, Taj Mahal.
Names of Rutus.
ವಸಂತ ಋತು, ಗ್ರೀಷ್ಮ ಋತು, ವರ್ಷ ಋತು, ಶರದ್ ಋತು, ಹೇಮಂತ ಋತು, ಶಿಶಿಲ ಋತು.
Hindu lunar month.
ಚೈತ್ರ, ವೈಶಾಖ, ಜ್ಯೇಷ್ಠ, ಆಷಾಢ, ಶ್ರಾವಣ, ಭಾದ್ರಪದ, ಅಶ್ವಯುಜ, ಕಾರ್ತಿಕ, ಮಾರ್ಗಶಿರ, ಪುಷ್ಯ, ಮಾಘ, ಫಾಲ್ಗುಣ.
International airport. Borders of India.
ನಾರ್ತ್ ಹಿಮಾಲಯಸ್, ಸೌತ್ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಓಷನ್, ವೇಸ್, ಬೇ ಆಫ್ ಬೆಂಗಾಲ್, ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅರೇಬಿಯನ್ ಸಿ.
Kings of Karnataka.
Pulakೇಶಿ II, ಕೃಷ್ಣದೇವರಾಯ, ವಿಷ್ಣುವರ್ಧನ, ಮಯೂರವರ್ಮ, ಅಮೋಘ ವರ್ಷ, ಮದಕಲಿ ನಾಯಕ, ಕಿತ್ತೂರಾಣಿ ಚೆನ್ನಮ್ಮ, ಒನಕೆ ಓಬವ್ವ, ವಿಜಯಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ ಪಂಡಿತ್, ಅಕ್ಕ ಬುಕ್ಕ, ಜೈ ಚಾಮರಾಜ ಒಡೆಯ, ಕೆಂಪೇಗೌಡ.
National symbols. Father of the nation.
ಮಹಾತ್ಮ ಗಾಂಧಿ.
National anthem.
ಜನಗಣಮನ.
National song.
ವಂದೇ ಮಾತರಂ.
National emblem.
ಲಯನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್.
National flower.
ಲೋಟಸ್.
National animal.
ಟೈಗರ್.
National sea animal.
ಡಾಲ್ಫಿನ್.
National bird.
ಪೀಕಾಕ್.
National fruit.
ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋ.
National vegetable.
ಪಂಪ್ಕಿನ್.
National language.
ಹಿಂದಿ.
National calendar.
ಸಖಾ ಕ್ಯಾಲೆಂಡರ್.
National game.
ಹಾಕಿ.
National tree.
ಬ್ಯಾನಿಯನ್ ಟ್ರೀ.
National river.
ಗಂಗಾ.
National flag color.
saffron, white and green.
Fundamental rights of India.
Right to equality, right to freedom, right to emancipation, right to freedom of religion, cultural and educational right, right to constitution remedies.
5 sense organs.
Eyes, nose, ears, tongue, skin. Thank you.